Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Whirlpool oven F6 E1 error in 2026. So the error is usually means that there is a communication problem between the main control board and the user interface. So before replacing any of the parts in order to fix it, you need to start by shutting off the power to the oven completely. So you need to turn off the breaker and unplug the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows both control systems to fully reset. After doing this, if the issue disappears, it means that a temporary communication glitch was likely the cause. But if the error returns, the control panel may have loose or damaged ribbon cable connections. So you need to carefully inspect the ribbon connectors, the touch panel wiring, and the terminal plugs. A poor connection between the interface and the main board can trigger the F6 even repeatedly. So sometimes steam, grease, and cleaning chemicals can interfere with the touch controls. So in that case, you just have to simply inspect the panel for moisture buildup, corrosion, or button malfunction. Cleaning or replacing the user interface can resolve this particular issue. Now, if wiring appears normally, a primary electronic control board may be failing. So in it, the common signs are persistent error codes or random resets or partial oven functionality. So board replacement is often required if the communication cannot be restored. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.